Okay, before I start this video, I got to give a little shout out to TLC participants Lana Board, Monica Grubb, Lane Bell as example of those folks who can't teach unless their flip chart page looks perfect. You are going to love this video and you are probably going to be consumed all weekend by what you learn. So here we go. The topic here is removing the background of images. So if you look at this page right here, I'm talking about our kitty cat, our pig, and our dog. This is a classic container exercise. It's really nice. Lon made it. But you can see that the white background on clip art just probably is not as perfect as Lana would like it to be. It's a bit ugly. Lana? Okay, here we go. How do you remove that? I learned a trick. I Googled. I found an answer. And it's not actually that hard. Little time consuming. Something you can do during a football game when there's lots of commercials and dead time. All right. So the way this came about, I'm going to go to my second flip chart here, is from Deb Yardley, who told me that she had a preschooler. Yes, a preschooler. And she was teaching about the concepts of on and under. So the preschooler brought this ball down onto this page and he put it under the table and he said to Deb, well, the ball's not on the table, but the box is. And he was kind of frustrated. So how do you get rid of those icky white backgrounds? I learned a trick. Here we go. First thing you do, select the object. So you're going to need to have the select tool. And then you copy the object, which you can, of course, do from the edit menu because there's a copy option. But I like to use the shortcut. So I use the Command key, which is next to your space bar, and then C for copy, Command C. All right, so that's copied to my clipboard, which is an invisible space on your computer. Then you're going to use a second piece of software called Preview. Preview is on the Mac, and it's a piece of software that will open PDFs, images, and a variety of things. So I'm going down to my dock here to click on Preview. And I don't have any open windows, but you can tell when I click on it on my dock that it's open, because look up here in the corner. That shows you what program you currently have, let's say in the forefront or in front. So I'm going to go up to the File menu, and I'm going to say New from Clipboard. Remember what's on my clipboard? It's the soccer ball. So there it is. This, if you look at this window, it's kind of a small window, so you're missing some tools, which you can tell by looking at this little icon. That basically tells you there's more tools if you click on that. So I'm going to go down to the corner, lower right-hand corner, and stretch this so I see all my tools. Because the tool I need is the Select tool. If I click on it and hold it down, so my finger is being held down now, I go down to Instant Alpha. Who knew? This is just a total secret, everybody. But now, this is where it gets weird. If I click with the Instant Alpha tool and drag, you kind of drag slowly, it will basically slowly highlight the white color. So I have to click on white and just drag slightly, but you got to do it slowly. So I click, and then I move it a little bit, and as you highlight, as you move it, it will highlight pink, the part you want to get rid of. So I'm dragging and making it pink. And when I do that, it selects everything that I made pink. Weird? Yes. Now I'm just going to hit the delete key on my keyboard. That gets rid of that ugly white background. So now I want to copy this image and paste it right back on my flip chart. Before I copy it, I'm going to go up to the Edit menu and select all, meaning I want to select the whole object. I could also do Command A. And now I'm going to do Command C to copy it. And now I'm going to just go and click right back to bring Inspire in front. Do you see how I click on my flip chart? You can see Inspire's in front, Preview is behind now. And I hit Command V. There's my soccer ball. Might want to just make it a little bit smaller, but look at the difference between my two soccer balls. Now I can put the soccer ball on the table, whereas my old soccer ball had the ugly white box. Got to see it again. Let's go back to the classifying animals flip chart. This one has containers, so I'm going to go into design mode. But let's take our little piggy here. Okay. And I'm going to copy it. So Command C. I'm going to go down to my dock. And I have one there already, which I can close that with the red dot. No, I don't want to save it, but I'm going to go New from Clipboard under the File menu. So there is my piggy. And now I need to find that Select tool by stretching the window here a little bit. Go under Select to Instant Alpha. And I'm going to click, go over to the white, and I'm going to click and slowly drag. There, I got it all. And delete. It's gone. But look. Do we want the little white in between his legs here? I can click and move just a little bit, and I can make that disappear as well. Oh, outstanding. I need to select all, which I do with the Command A. And then I'm going to copy, Command C. And I'm going to go back to my flip chart, and I'm going to Command V to paste. And now I have just the cutest little bug of a pig right here with no background color. So make the backgrounds transparent with a program called Preview. If you do not see Preview on your dock, it is in your Applications folder if you are a Mac user, and you can go into your Applications folder, drag it onto your dock. Hope you enjoyed that little fun tip.